Can you put another card in the box? What about the ducky? There's the ducky. Quack, quack. Very good. Say, yep, bye-bye. Give him a kiss. Okay, put him in the box.
Bye-bye.
What are those? Shoes.
Bye-bye.
Can you say shoes?
Bye-bye.
Can you say shoes?
Shoes.
Very good.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, shoes.